Copying and pasting on a Chromebook is one of those basic tasks you'll use all the time, whether you're working on documents, browsing the web, or managing files. But if you're new to Chrome OS or coming from a different device, the shortcuts and methods might feel a little unfamiliar at first. The good thing is that Chromebooks keep things simple, and once you learn the main ways to copy and paste, it becomes second nature. You can use keyboard shortcuts, trackpad gestures, or right-click options depending on what feels easiest for you. After just a few tries, you'll be able to move text, images, and files quickly without even thinking about it. Try these. Step 1. Highlight the text, image, or file you want to copy. Step 2. Press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy it. Step 3. Move your cursor to where you want to paste the content. Step 4. Press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Step 5. Alternatively, right-click and select Copy and Paste. Step 6. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste without formatting if needed.